I've actually constructed two particular tools, therapeutic tools called the Domino Momentum and Parameter of Self. So the Domino Momentum is very interesting because it's three therapies all rolled into one, which is cognitive behavioral therapy, acceptance commitment therapy, and mindfulness. So all of us, you, me, everybody, Leah, we have thinking patterns, whether it's positive, constructive, neutral, negative, or potentially destructive. So the whole point in the Awareness Journal is going to give people the tools, an online platform to click into and enhance their ability to be the best version of themselves. So looking very much, looking forward to the future, and I can't wait until that particular tool is implemented within the Awareness Services website, so people can use it, understand themselves better, and get the full potential of themselves into the future.